How to print with the DTG 4052 t-shirt printer. Click to add a picture. Adjust the position, size, and other parameters of the image using the primitive editor. Personalize the image using the functions under the white color preview pane. After processing the image, click Rip, click Driver Setting and select the appropriate curve. Once everything is ready, click Print to rip the image. Monitor the image processing status until it's completed. Open the RIP processed file. Adjust the position if needed. Click Print to start printing. Equipped with 4 Epson i3200 print heads. Delivering high-resolution prints with support for up to 8 vivid colors. Dual-station design allows you to print and pre-treat garments at the same time, saving time and boosting productivity. Produces vibrant, long-lasting prints with excellent wash durability. Your go-to for fast, efficient, and reliable garment printing.